work at the end of the course that was unpaid, but I still think the amount you're paying is totally worth the course, because really, if you think about it, if you're going to a university and you're doing a makeup course, you're going to be paying a lot more. You're going to be paying about £30,000 just for just for like 2 years or 3 years, but you're going to be doing half of the practical work. But at either you do obviously a very condensed course, so it's 9 months, or you can do 14 weeks, or you can do 21, or you can do 30 weeks, which is what I did. But to me, it's completely worth the money because I started getting jobs out of it, and that I don't think I would have got that anywhere else. I don't think, and the aftercare is very good. You get very well looked after when you leave. So, you can always talk to the tutors, you can always contact them and ask them questions. And I think you're not only paying for the work that you're going to get after it, you're also paying for those really valuable lessons, because you're going to get taught by some of the best designers in the industry. And I really think it's also important because a lot of the tutors are still working in the industry and they're still actively working on big budget films. So, and in other schools I didn't really see any of the tutors doing that. I mean, a lot of them are, but I really just did my research, and to me it is worth the money. So yes, that was very worth it, yeah.